And then we'll now look at a few of the reports. We've done a fair number of transactions now, so we can look at the profit and loss. First round, we might want to get rid of a few of these unnecessary reports that are here. Let's delete them all first and set this one up for us so we can look month by month. So we can say, we're interested in May 2025, which is May. So we'll necessarily set our dates to from the 1st of May this year to the end of May. And then this we want to take the 2024 year, also from the 1st of May to the end of May, for which we won't have transactions now. But if we view it like this, then our profit and loss will look something like this. Those were our sales, here are our expenses, and we have a healthy profit of 70,000 Rand. So we can also look at the balance sheet, and again, there's a bunch of reports that are unnecessary here. Let's remove them all, except the last one, and change it to the end of May 2025. And we can also compare it with the end of May 2024 and say 2025-05 if we want to describe it as May month. And update. So if we view it now, our balance sheet looks something like this, which might not be entirely healthy. We've spent a bit too much money. We still need to get money in, but it gives us a good idea of where we stand in our business. And then, there are other reports that are relevant for all the other functionality in the system. But I think for the moment, I'll stop here.